Hey everyone, if you want a laptop where you can leave your charger at home for a whole weekend, then this video is for you. Apple is still the one of the best laptop brand in the world that is manufacturing the long-lasting battery life laptops. So here are the top 3 Apple laptops with a long-lasting battery life. For all the laptops, I have provided link in the description and also tagged in this video. If you have any queries related to buying any new laptop, you can ask me in the comment section. I will reply you there. MacBook Air M4 overall, the great budget laptop from Apple that give you long-lasting battery life, as it comes with a 50 watt-hour battery and 70 watt fast charging that charges 50% in just 30 minutes. It comes with 18 hours of battery life, cost you around $1,000, and it's the thinnest pro-grade laptop in the world, best suitable for creators and students and professionals, and it's the best value for money laptop from Apple. MacBook Pro 14 powered by M5 comes with a 72 watt-hour battery and 96 watt fast charging. Fast charging is amazing here, and it gives you 22 hours of battery life, costing you around $2,000, and it's a super machine. It comes with a new 2nm M5 chip, makes it stay cool even during the 4K video editing. And it is suitable for professional photographers, video editors, researchers, and everybody who wants the raw power. It's more powerful than a desktop but fits in a small bag. MacBook Pro 16 powered by M5 Max comes with a 100 watt-hour battery and 140 watt MagSafe. Fastest in the class, gives you 26 plus hours of battery life, costing you around $3,000 in the international market, and it's the largest battery allowed on an airplane with the longest battery life ever recorded. So it's a heavy duty power user laptop suitable for developers and programmers, and it's the ultimate king. Nothing else on this list lasts this long with this much power. Thanks for watching, and if you want any of these laptops, you can get the links tagged in this video and comment in the comment section if you have any queries. I will reply you there.